A day after Iran postponed crucial nuclear talks with the US, American Secretary of State Marco Rubio has issued a stern warning. He says Iran must walk away from uranium enrichment and long-range missile programs, and even allow US inspectors into military sites. What does this mean for world security and the future of the Middle East? Let's break it down. On 2 May, the US reiterated its tough stance on Iran's nuclear program. Secretary of State Marco Rubio said Iran must take concrete steps, including halting uranium enrichment and long-range missile development. Iran has consistently said it has a right to enrich uranium under the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, claiming it doesn't want to build a nuclear bomb. But Rubio and US Special Envoy Steve Witkoff aren't buying that. Rubio went further, saying Iran must also let international inspectors, including Americans, visit all nuclear and military sites. No secrecy. No exceptions. This is part of a broader US effort to pressure Tehran. President Trump has already threatened more sanctions, especially targeting Iran's oil and petrochemical exports. Experts say Iran can now enrich uranium to nearly 60%. But to make a nuclear weapon, you need 90%. Rubio warned that if Iran can go from 60 to 90 quickly, the risk becomes very real. The US wants Iran to abandon all weapons-related activity and stop supporting militant groups like the Houthis. Only then, says Rubio, can real peace talks begin. Iran, however, isn't budging, saying enrichment is their right and accusing the US of escalating tensions. Talks in Rome were delayed and no new date has been confirmed. Will diplomacy survive? Or are we heading toward more confrontation? The nuclear issue isn't just about two countries. It's about global safety. We'll keep watching this story closely. For more updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.